If your PC feels slow, laggy, or your games don't run as smooth as they should, don't worry. In this video, I will show you 3 simple tricks to reduce your background processes, lower input lag, and get higher FPS when gaming. Let's get started. First, we will try a registry tweak that can dramatically lower the number of running processes on a PC. Click Start, search for Registry Editor, launch it. Now, navigate to HKey Local Machine. Click on System, click on Current Control Set, click on Control. Find SVC host split threshold, double click it and change its value based on your RAM. For example, if you have 8 GB RAM, set it to 8 lakhs. Click OK and restart your PC. After restarting, you'll notice your process count should drop a lot. Test your games and apps. If you don't see an improvement, it's best to change it back to the default value. Disable useless Windows services. For that, launch Run. Now type in services.msc and click OK. This opens a list of all services on your PC. Look for services you don't need, like Connected User Experiences, Maps Downloader, Windows Insider Service, or Printer Spooler if you don't use a printer. Right-click on any of these, choose Properties, change Startup Type to Disabled, then click Apply and OK. Note that only disable services you know you don't need. If unsure, look up each one before changing it. Lastly, stop background apps and start up programs. Open Windows Settings and go to the Apps section. Click on Installed Apps. Then click on each app you don't need running all the time. Click Advanced Options and under Background App Permissions, set it to Never. Next, right-click your taskbar, open Task Manager and go to the Startup Apps tab. Here, you will see which apps launch automatically when your PC turns on. Sort them by startup impact and disable anything non-essential. Doing this will stop useless apps from eating up RAM and CPU behind your back. And that's it. These 3 methods should help reduce your process count, lower input lag, and boost your PC's speed and gaming performance. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.